So with me here, I've got my new Dewalt 6-gallon pancake style air compressor. Super excited to get this unboxed, get it set up. I'll run through all the highlights and show you how it works. So getting this opened up, got the instruction manual, of course. Then we've got the compressor. Easy as that. So you can see right out of the box, it's really no assembly required. We've got our pancake compressor here. So this compressor holds 6 gallons of air, can provide an output of up to 165 pounds, 2.6 CFM at 90 PSI. So that's your airflow, and that's an important feature when it comes to compressors. 2.6 is a pretty solid flow that you're gonna get through here. And then the other factor, and a big reason why I purchased this particular compressor, is you can see the decibel rating, 78.5. I've had other compressors that are just super noisy. You have to wear hearing protection around them when they're on. This one is considered one of the more quiet ones out there. So one feature that's nice with this that I didn't even realize is we've got 2 quick connects here. So you could actually have 2 hoses, 2 tools connected to this unit going at once. You don't have to come up with your own splitter. As far as construction goes, got a nice solid metal tank here. We got our nice heavy duty plastic housing up top. Got our little brass relief valve here. Then we've got these rubberized feet, so that's handy because it'll make sure this compressor isn't gonna slide around. Even as I'm trying to push it here on these floors, it's not going anywhere, so really good grip. And then we have our power cable, plugs into standard 120 volt outlets. And we've got a little attachment here on the housing for cord management, which is always very important. Another nice thing about this compressor is it's not super heavy. It's 32 pounds, so pretty easy to carry around. You got this nice handle up here, ergonomically friendly. And as far as controls on this unit goes, very simple. We've got our on-off switch, we got our tank pressure gauge, and then we've got our regulator dial here with, you can see incremental values for pressure, anywhere from 0 all the way up to 165 pounds. One thing that's really nice with this regulator here is it's just a simple dial. I've had other regulators where it's kind of a threaded knob and you never really know what sort of pressure you're controlling to. This is handy. It's got the indicators for pressure right on here, and you just simply turn the knob to whatever pressure you're going for. The other feature on this compressor is the drain valve here at the bottom. So we've got it open now, otherwise closed, and we use that valve after using the compressor. And dimensions for our compressor here are pretty much 16 inches in diameter, which equates to a footprint of about 1.5 square feet. And then it's got an overall height from bottom to handle here of about 18 inches. So it doesn't take up a huge amount of space. So one of the big selling points with this compressor for me was its sound rating. It's designed to be quieter than the average compressor. And for me, that's important. A lot of my projects are indoors, and if I've got a compressor running, it has the potential to be very disruptive if it's too loud. So it's rated for 78.5 decibels when running. So what we're gonna do now is use a decibel meter, just an app on my phone, to go ahead and measure the sound level of this compressor when it's running. We're actually gonna measure it at a couple points. We're gonna measure it at a short distance from the compressor, and then we're gonna measure it at 10 feet. That way we'll get a feel for just how much that sound travels. We're gonna go ahead and start taking our decibel measurements now. We're about 6 inches away from the compressor unit. So we could see we were just above 90 decibels there. So we're gonna go ahead and measure out 10 feet and see what sort of sound level we're getting a little bit further away. All right, after doing that quick test there, we saw it was much quieter from 10 feet away, which you'd expect just naturally. And I've been able to use this compressor now for a number of different activities, including just filling the tires on our vehicles. It's super efficient, fills the tires fast. And even when using my nailer, this thing was a beast. It just put the nails right through the 4x4 here that I was working on. And last but not least, we've got a new Halloween animatronic here that requires a compressor. And this thing did the trick. It's able to run the animatronic. The flow on the compressor is perfect. So first impressions of this Dewalt air compressor are very positive, but I'm actually going to go ahead and put it through a gamut of other tests. And if you're interested in seeing those results, feel free to like and subscribe for a future video here.